How to buy BNB on TrustWallet. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TrustWallet. You will land to the home page. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Buy. Now head over to the option of BNB. Click on that option. In the case you cannot find that option over here, at the top you're going to see the search box. Over there you can type in BNB and then search for it. Once it appears, click on that. Now go ahead and type in the amount that you would like to use to purchase the BNB. After you type in the amount, below the amount you're going to find the BNB number. Now you can click on the option of Pay with Apple Pay. Now here you're going to find the recommended payment methods. Likewise, clicking on this drop down, you're going to see the option of credit card or bank transfer. Go ahead and select the option that best suits you. And then you can go through the process to update your payment details, and once you do that, you'll be good to go. Well, this is how you can easily buy BNB on your TrustWallet. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.